Hello YouTube, today we have this mini R56 that has taken a bit of a bump. After buying it back from insurance, we're going to repair it and get it back on the road. None of the damage is structural, so you join us on our way to a parts car breaking in the same colour down in Kent. We stand up against the side. Yeah. Okay.
Laying it down?
Yeah, because then the radiator would leak.
Oh yeah.
Whilst at the breakers, we also managed to get some extra parts for the car too. And then let's grab the exhaust tank.
Oh yeah, good idea. Should be alright. What, over the top of it?
Yeah. We were very lucky that this breaker had everything we needed for the car in the right colour, and we also grabbed a few extra bits while we were there. That was a very successful trip to the breakers. Now let's head home.
Right. Let's start getting it all ready.
After collecting the parts, we decided to fit the bonnet straight onto the car to prevent it getting damaged. Right, just watch the corners so it doesn't dink the car.
All the glass.
Yeah. Your incident?
Yeah.
Be careful, we don't want to smash the Much better. So these are the parts that we collected from the breakers yard. We have a new wing, we have a new slam panel, we have a replacement front bumper, and we also have the rear bumper as well. A couple of the extra bits that we grabbed include a new AC line, an exhaust hanger, a replacement bonnet hinge, and the jacking points that seem to all be missing from this car. Taking off the old washer bottle, we've undone the line. As this car is quite old, some persuasion was needed to remove some of the C-spokes. Yeah, good. Yeah, easy. Was disconnected. Coolant tanks need to be drained, and then it's just the pipes holding it on. I'm ready to take it apart. Voila. I may have singed it a little bit. Try to stay control. Push down. Yeah, push down and then turn it into. There you go. That's how you do it straight on. We swapped over the bonnet as soon as we got back, and we also started removing some of the easy parts to take off the car. Yeah, these aren't touched.
Oh yeah. Gosh. Is it open now? Yes.
Now get in your car. You need to put the wines in the inside of the wing. If you look on the other side when you're lining up, yeah, and get the gaps in.
Okay, right.
Even the whole way down, because otherwise it would clip on the doors.
Yeah.
And so don't pass them out between the bolts.
There.
That'll go. That goes into that hole there.
Yeah.
And there's one halfway up there.
Oh, I found a cool bearing.
Oh. With the new wing on, we called it a night. On to day 2. For day 2, we started by removing the slam panel. This meant that we needed to drain the coolant and disconnect everything that held on the radiator pack. AC lines take off and the coolant lines disconnect. We're going to drain the coolant and then drop the lines. Okay.
Oh no.
Yeah. There you go.
Ready? Yeah. I'll tip it this way.
With the slam panel removed, we can now swap over the AC line that we got from the parts car. As you can see on this car, the AC line has been eaten by the drive shaft due to it missing the bracket that holds it in place. Is that on there?
Yeah.
In the middle?
Yeah.
And then the two pipes.
That's what it should look like.
Yeah, and the car didn't have this bracket, so we've now got the bracket. Yeah, but flip this through. With the two slam panels next to each other, we can swap over all the ancillaries and remove the extra pipes. And just like that, all the components are swapped over onto the new slam panel. It's transferred over. There's the old one. With the slam panel offered up to the car, we can now bolt it all up and reassemble and reattach all the parts and clips that we took off. And with everything bolted up, we can now refill the coolant, check that it's not leaking, and bleed the system. Where's the Cessna? Small one.
gonna get slapped. There's an instrument like that.
I know, I've been quite an annoying kid, aren't I?
That's a good sound.
What? Yeah, it's definitely a lefty one.
So it is left. Have I just tightened it up even more?
Right,
Right, where does the sponge go?
this one just...
Oh, you've already got it.
Just been for a walk. The final step was to attach the front bumper.
Oh, so much easier when there's 5 people.
5? Give me 5 arms.
Well, there's
And
actually
even
6
then
arms.
they've got 6 arms.
You're actually going to get slapped.
Clip on. What's that? Is this even filming?
And you can just tap the screen.
Oh!
There we go.
And with everything reassembled after a quick road test, we could take the car for its MOT and get it back on the road.